projections of points, how to solve the problem by using AutoCAD software. So first you go log into the AutoCAD software, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode, and first we're going to type the limits command and specify lower left corner 0, 0 and the upper right corner 297, 210. And go to zoom, enter, all enter. Now we go for line command, draw a horizontal line and then the vertical line. Go to offset, take the distance as 297, you select this line and offset, and again you take 210 and you select this line and offset by, then go to zoom extend and zoom 0.6x. So go to fillet, select this line and this horizontal line, similarly this vertical line and horizontal line, and this horizontal line and this vertical line. Then go to zoom window, you select this and go to detext and take the height as 4 and rotation angle as 0 and mark 31. Put the caps lock of A point capital P is on HP and 35 mm in front of VP. Another point capital Q is on VP and below HP. The line joining their front views, makes an angle of 30 degrees. So percentage D will give you 30 degree to XY line, while the line joining their top views makes an angle of 45 degree. Percentage D gives the degree symbol with XY line. Find the distance of the point Q from HP. Now we go for zoom previous, go to layer, new layer and mark XY, type XY and go to line weight, make it 0.13 and say OK. Then go to layer 0, make it 0.05 and say OK and close it. Now we'll go for a line command, draw a horizontal line, then go to zoom window, go to offset, take the distance as 35, go to line, take nearest point on this, take perpendicular to this. Then here go to line, take intersection point of this, and from here draw at the rate of 100 less than 45 degree. So you're going to get trim. Select cutting edges, you select this as the cutting edge, enter, select object to trim, you select this line. Similarly go to line, take intersection point of this, again at the rate 100 less than minus 30. So then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a vertical line. Go to fillet between these two and remove this line. Then go to donut, take inside diameter as 0, outside diameter as 3 and take intersection point of this and then intersection point of this and intersection point of this and then intersection point of this. Then go to break this line till here and break this line till here. Select this line, go to change, go to layer and make this as XY line and say OK. Now we go for DDIM, go to modify. So the lines offset from the origin as 3, go symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4, go to text height as 4, centered means above, align with the dimension line, offset from the origin is 3, go to primary units, make it 0 and say OK and say close. Then go to dim vertical, select this line and take 35. Then go to dim angular, select this line and you make it 30 degrees. And go to dim TED. So here you mark this as 30 degrees. And then go to line, draw a horizontal line from here. Then go to dim angular, select this line and mark it as 45 degree. Then go to dim TED, you select this and take it here. Okay. Then go to dim vertical, select this line. So here go to text, make it 0, give the space bar, and then specify the distance. You select this. Go to dtext, go to specify height as 4, go to rotation angle as 90 and type L equals question mark, and then go to move, switch off this ortho mode and you select this line. So select this line and this dimension text and make it L is equal to question mark. Then go to dtext, put the caps lock on, type X. So dtext, take the specify height and rotation angle as 0 and mark this as X and you mark this as Y. And similarly you mark this as P dash and you mark this as Q dash. Then so from here you make it P and from here you make it Q. So this is the top view. Then go to move, select this, move it here, and P you select this and move it here, and Q dash you select this. So once you do this, now we're going to check the dimension. So distance between center of this to center of this. So we're going to get it as 20.21. So the answer what you need to get here. So answer is capital L equals 20.21 mm. Then go to zoom window. So this is how you will be able to get the answer for this. And finally you save this drawing. So zoom previous and go to save and go to the appropriate drive and say P31 and save it.